What's up, guys? Build Vlog 7. Right now we are draining our system of the Premachill SysPrep, and we're going to be putting in our coolant, which is the EK Cryo Fluid, and I don't know the exact color name, but it's a like violet purple color. So we're going to be putting that in. We did run into some issues, which I'm probably going to go into in another video. We thought we had a bad pump, and then thought we had a bad power supply. Turns out, long story short, it was a custom CPU cable issue that was preventing the power supply from jumping. But I'm going to dig way into that in another video to hopefully help you guys out if you're having any issues troubleshooting your PC. But right now, I just changed up some bends on here that I'll show you. But what we ended up doing, I didn't really like the tubing going behind the pump and back up. It was a really big pain in the ass to drain it and try to service that. So we changed up a few bends, got in our T-fitting or valve fitting, so that'll help out quite a bit for the service in the future. And hopefully, if all goes to plan, we'll hit the power button and we'll get a BIOS screen. So stay tuned.